add new members on Monday.com in minutes. With this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process. It's only gonna take probably 1 or 2 minutes. So let's jump right into this video without wasting any second now, because I know your time is valuable. So I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do. So you're gonna have to head over here, click on your profile, and then just click on theme here. You should see here theme. So click on theme. And then here on theme, we can see all the users here. And now what I need to do, I just need to click on, you can click on new theme. If there's a new theme you need to add, you're gonna have to click on new theme. Enter your theme name, team members, you can type their team members, upload a team profile picture so you know that this theme is actually, you can look at the profile and right away you can know this is the team, something that represents the team. Or you can invite members from here. Let's click on invite. And now here we can invite them something. I'll tell you something about what's going to happen when you actually invite them. So here we're gonna have to enter their name. So I'm gonna enter their name. gmail.com. Now you can decide he should be the viewer or member. So a viewer can only read, but I want to be a member. So I'm gonna type now the other one name. Now, of course, these are just emails, like testing emails. So here I'm gonna click on invite. And now what's going to happen when you send out this invitation, now your members, your team, your users, they'll get this email. They'll get an email with a link, and they'll click on that link and they'll take them to a quick setup. They'll have to enter their name, their password to create a password for a Monday.com account. They'll have to pick their role, team leader, team member, whatever fits their, their role. And this might be followed by some additional questions depending on their role. Just answer honestly. Monday.com will set them up accordingly. Now, as long as you have the right permission, you can invite others during this setup, and they have to also to either choose a profile picture, and I think that's about it. So now, as you can see, they'll just need to wait for it's just pending. They'll have to check their email, but that's about it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.